The bulb has to be an LED direct replacement. Otherwise, the back end will be too big. Next, take this plastic cover off of the bulb's housing. Next, take a Phillips head acre driver and loosen this bolt. When you loosen it, this retention pin will fall out. Just ignore that for now. You should have these 3 loose items at this point right now. Take the bulb out of the housing. Disconnect the old bulb and put it in a safe place. Connect the new LED bulb. Test if it works. Insert into housing correctly, lining up the pins. Then screw the screw back just enough so that it doesn't fall out, but not too tight. Then place the retention pin back. This part can be a little tricky. If you are struggling, look at the other side and place it exactly how it looks like on the side you have not started with. Note that both sides will be done the exact same. Put the plastic cover back and make sure the 3 clips on the cover have seated correctly and that it is not loose on any side. Finally, check if it works correctly. And enjoy the results.